Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you step by step how to get this look. I'm going to be using the Culture palette by Juvia's Place, but if you don't have it, you can use what you have. To start, I'm using a flat rounded brush, and I'm going to take that bright blue in the palette, and I'm just going to place this above my crease and kind of shape it to that curve of the inner half of my eye. Once you get that placed where you want it, just take a small fluffy brush and slowly blend it out. Now going back to that first flat brush that we used, we're going to just create a wing with that blue shadow just on the outer corner. After you get that wing shape, take that fluffy brush again and smoke it out a little bit. Now I'm taking some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use a really small flat rounded brush for this. Taking some of that concealer, I'm just going to start shaping three little curves going upwards towards the end of that blue shadow that we put on the top, and that's where the pink liner is going to go later on. When you're done getting that shape, just blend the rest out into that empty space on your lid. For the liner, I'm going to use this one from Glam Vice Cosmetics. It's a neon pink liner with this small liner brush, and we're just going to outline that shape that we made with the concealer. Now we're going to create a neon pink wing inside of that blue wing we smoked out with that shadow in the beginning. Next, using some NYX glitter glue and the same brush I applied the concealer with, I am just going to apply that glue everywhere I applied the concealer because that's where our glitter is going to be. With that same brush, just take any glitter that you would like to use and tap it on wherever you place that glue. And I like to add just a little bit at a time until it's as much as I'm wanting it to be. Now I'm going to use this black felt tip liner pen, and I'm just going to create an even smaller wing inside of those first two wings that we made, and it's just going to help my falsies blend in once I get those applied. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm taking this flat brush again with that bright blue that we used, and I'm just going to apply that all the way across my lower lash line, almost to the corner, but not quite. I'm going to use this black gel liner and fill in my waterline. Don't forget to tightline, that way when you apply your falsies, they blend in better. To add some more sparkle, I'm taking this blue glitter and applying that on top of the blue that we applied in our lower lash line. Using a really small flat brush and this light pink shimmer, I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight. I'm going to tap it upwards into that blue and also bring it down to that empty space we left in the corner on our lower lash line. Now just add some mascara and falsies. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys find my tutorial helpful. If you mess up, just try again. Remember, you can't do makeup if you don't try. I used to be horrible with makeup, and all it is a lot of practice, and just don't get discouraged. Whatever you do, just keep trying, and I will see you guys next time.